Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Sourav. I'm Sourav Dutta and today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a solo booting Windows 11 laptop. Whenever I open my laptop, it takes a long time for the system to boot up. Follow me to learn how to fix this. First open this PC, right click on this PC, then click to properties, then click to advanced system settings. In the advanced tab under performance, click settings. After click to settings, then choose adjust for best performance. Then click to apply. After that click to OK. After that restart the laptop. If the laptop restart, follow the second method. Press Windows key plus R, type msconfig and press enter button. After that you will see the system configuration window open. Then click to boot tab. After that click to advanced option. Check number of processor and select the number from the drop down maximum of number. Then click OK followed by apply and click to OK and then restart the laptop. After restarting, I hope your laptop boots up much faster than before. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.